Introduction of overall components. We are now showing the names of each component. Please check the screen to match them accordingly. Introduction of the use of anesthesia module. Attention please, the vaporizer must be filled with appropriate anesthetic, otherwise may cause damage and clinical risks. The structure of easy fill vaporizer is as shown in the video. The usage method of scale dial of vaporizer. Press the dial lock key to rotate the dial. Please adjust the scale dial to 0 position during the anesthetic filling of easy fill vaporizer. Tighten the fill adapter to the correct position. Loosen and remove the sealing cap. The position restrictor on the adapter should correspond to the groove. Attach it to the vaporizer dosing inlet and press it to the end. The liquid level is recommended at the upper to third of the anesthetic level sight glass. Do not exceed the upper scale. Rotate and lock the sealing cap after filling. It needs to wait for at least 30 minutes before using. Please do the anesthetic discharging in a good air circulation. Insert the discharging tube into the discharge outlet. Connect the other end to the waste liquid container. Ensure that the container is below the height of the discharging outlet. Slightly loosen the sealing cap and use a slotted screwdriver to loosen and discharge as shown. After discharging, please reset and tighten them all. The structure of key fill vaporizer is shown in the video. Please adjust the scale dial to 0 position during the anesthetic filling of key fill vaporizer. Tighten the fill adapter to the correct position. Turn the upper ejector rod counterclockwise to loosen it and remove the flow limiting block. The position restrictor on the adapter should correspond to the groove. Insert the adapter into the vaporizer dosing port. Lift the anesthesia bottle upward for filling. Take out the adapter. Insert the flow limiting block into the dosing port and tighten the upper ejector rod. Please do the anesthetic discharging in a good air circulation. Turn the lower ejector rod counterclockwise to loosen it. Insert the adapter into the vaporizer discharging outlet. Turn the lower ejector rod clockwise to tighten it for discharging. After discharging, please reset and tighten them all. The connection of oxygen source. Tighten the pagoda joint to the gas inlet. Before connecting, the oxygen generator needs to be turned on and the flow meter adjusted to 4 to 5 liter per minute. Tighten the silicone tube to the pagoda joint. Please use a pressure-reducing valve and the blue oxygen connecting tube to connect the oxygen cylinder. The input pressure should be less than 0.5 megapascal. The usage method of oxygen flometer. Turn the knob counterclockwise to open and adjust the oxygen flow rate. The reading is based on the corresponding scale on the upper edge of the bobbin. The usage method of airway pressure gauge. Please ensure that the airway pressure is within the green safe range. Check the current airway pressure regularly. If the abnormal increase occurs, immediately disconnect the animal end and check if the APL or thumb valve is open. The usage method of oxygen flush button. Do not use it when connect to animal. Press to flush out the residual anesthetic in tube. The usage method of APL valve. Rotate to adjust the upper limit of the maximum allowable pressure in the airway. Turn to min when using RB circuit. Pressing can increase the pressure limit by 30 centimeters of water pressure on top of the existing limit. The usage method of mechanical manual ventilation switch. Toggle to switch between mechanical and manual ventilation mode. The usage method of carbon dioxide absorber. Rotate the knob counterclockwise and remove the carbon dioxide absorber laterally. Replace when used 12 hours continuously or 10 hours within a month intermittently. Do not pour the lime into the screw hole. Please add the fresh lime up to the black scale line. Push back the carbon dioxide absorber and tighten the knob clockwise. The usage method of circuit control switch. Toggle to switch between RB and an RB circuit. The usage method of end-tidal carbon dioxide water trap. Align with the slot and push up for installation. Pinch the buckles at both ends and remove the water trap. Rotate the sampling tube clockwise to connect the water trap. Introduction of the function of ventilator. Connect the power supply and turn on the back main switch. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. It will automatically enter the self-check interface. Click the mute beep button to turn off the alarm prompt sound for 120 seconds. Click the alarm set button to set the upper and lower limits of the alarm. You can save or restore default values. Click the leak check button to run the air tightness testing. Please check the indication meaning of the leak detection marker. Click the menu button to view more settings. Click the parameter list button to add, edit, delete, or apply the custom parameters. Click the data records button to view and export ventilation data. Click the alarm records button to view and export alarm data. Click the system set button to adjust screen brightness and regulate the whole duration of inhalation pause. Set weight units, change system language, and switch the carbon dioxide module on or off. Click on remote pairing and follow the prompts to perform infrared matching. Click the zero and auto clean button. Pressure and flow zeroing can be performed in the interface as shown, following the prompts to perform zeroing in the carbon dioxide zeroing interface, following the prompts to perform auto cleaning in the turbine auto clean interface. Click the date and time to change and save the date and time format. Return to the main interface. Click the wait button. Use the control knob to change and press to confirm weight. Switch between mechanical and manual ventilation using by the switch as shown. Click the mode to switch between different ventilation modes. The differences among ventilation modes is shown in the video. Click on the items below to adjust the ventilation parameters using the control knob. The significance of ventilation parameters is shown in the video. Click the Start for mechanical ventilation. The alarm information bar is displayed at the top of the screen. Click to view specific information. The pressure time chart and end tidal carbon dioxide time chart are displayed in the middle. The real-time ventilation parameters are displayed on the right side. Change the ventilation parameters at the bottom during the process. Click the OK to confirm and input. Click the Stop to end the mechanical ventilation. Press the INSP hold or remote to hold the inhalation. The screen displays the duration of inhalation pause and the current airway pressure value. We recommended that animals weighing less than 3 kilograms pause for no more than 5 seconds. If the weight is more than 3 kilograms, pause for no more than 5 respiratory cycles. Please operate as quickly as possible to shorten the pause duration. This function is commonly used for preoperative induction, CT imaging, chest suturing, etc. preparation before use. Please check the video for animal preoperative preparation. Select the diameter of the endotracheal tube based on weight and the width of the nasal septum. Measure the actual length from the incisors to the entrance of the chest cavity and mark it. Inject an appropriate amount of gas into the cuff of the endotracheal cannula. Check for air leakage in the endotracheal cuff. Prepare for the tracheal intubation if the air tightness is good. Check whether the gas in the oxygen cylinder is sufficient, the oxygen generator reaches high oxygen, and the pipe connection is correct. Check if the anesthetic is sufficient. It is recommended to add at least 2/3 of the anesthetic level sight glass and not exceed the upper scale line. Check if the color of the lime has changed and if it has been filled to the mark as shown. Check if the exhaust gas filter tank exceeds 1 kilogram. Please replace it promptly. Connect the appropriate breathing bag and select the breathing circuit. Please connect and use the anesthesia mask correctly as shown. Please check the video for the guideline to select breathing bags, bellows assembly, and breathing circuits. Please connect the RB circuit correctly as shown. Please connect the NRB circuit correctly as shown. The arrow indicates the end of an RB circuit connected to the machine. Please connect them correctly as shown. The arrow indicates the breathing bag port of the NRB circuit. Please connect the breathing bag as shown. The arrow indicates the end of an RB circuit connected to the exhaust gas filter. Please connect the exhaust gas tube as shown. The overall correct connection is shown in the video frame. Please connect the ports of the NRB circuit as shown in the video. Please connect the exhaust gas tubes and exhaust gas filter correctly. tightness check. Air tightness check for mechanical ventilation. Perform air tightness testing according to the on-screen prompts. Adjust the vaporizer dial to the 0. Seal animal port of the circuit. Switch the auto or manual to the auto. Switch the circuit to rebreathing circuit. Turn off the flow meter clockwise. Press the oxygen flush button to raise the bellow to the top. Click the check to check the air tightness. Air tightness test for manual ventilation. Perform air tightness testing according to the on-screen prompts. Adjust the vaporizer dial to the 0. Turn clockwise to the end to close the APL valve. Seal animal port of the circuit. Switch the auto or manual to the manual. Connect a suitable breathing bag. Turn off the flow meter clockwise.
Switch the circuit to the rebreathing RB circuit.
Press the oxygen flush button briefly until the pressure gauge reaches to 30 centimeters of water pressure. Click the check to check the air tightness. Turn counterclockwise to open the APL valve after testing. Air tightness test for non-rebreathing circuit. Adjust the vaporizer dial to the 0. Switch the circuit to the non-rebreathing circuit. Seal animal port of the circuit. Connect a suitable breathing bag. Turn off the thumb valve as shown. Turn off the flow meter clockwise. Press the oxygen flush button briefly until the pressure gauge reaches to 30 centimeters of water pressure. If the pointer drops by less than one small grid within 10 seconds, it indicates good air tightness. Open the thumb valve as shown after testing. Instrument workflow. Please perform the preparation before use operation. Perform oxygen inhalation before anesthesia, ensuring the stability of animal-induced anesthesia before the tracheal intubation is performed. Avoid inserting the endotracheal tube into a single lung. Do not use anesthesia masks to maintain anesthesia. Choose between mechanical or manual ventilation mode. Choose between rebreathing or non-rebreathing circuit. Slightly rotate the oxygen flow meter counterclockwise to adjust to the appropriate flow rate. Please check the reference value of oxygen flow regulation as shown. Press down the lock button and rotate the dial to the appropriate concentration. Please check the reference value of anesthetic concentration as shown. Click the weight. Use the control knob to adjust. Press down for inputting. It will automatically convert intelligent parameters based on the ideal weight. Select the appropriate mode and start mechanical ventilation until the bellow rises to the top. Screen displays pressure time chart, end-tidal carbon dioxide time chart, and real-time data. The bottom parameters can be adjusted in real time according to the actual clinical situation. Adjust the vaporizer dial to the 0 when ending the anesthesia. Disconnect the animal end and press the oxygen flush button to flush out remaining anesthesia in the pipeline. After flushing, reconnect the animal port and supply oxygen until the animal wakes up. Turn off the oxygen flow meter and oxygen source. Close the gas circuit ports. Please fill up the anesthetic on time. For easy fill vaporizer, please redirect to 1 minute and 5 seconds. For key fill vaporizer, please redirect to 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Please redirect to 4 minutes and 29 seconds to change the carbon dioxide absorber. Cautions and maintenance. Please check the video and read the precautions for use in detail. Rotate the filter counterclockwise to replace it. For end-tidal carbon dioxide water trap and sampling tube replacement, please redirect to 5 minutes and 1 second. We recommend replacing the water trap every 3 months. Clean the water vapor blockage in the sampling tube and water trap timely. Please replace them when the blockage cannot be cleaned. Please check the video for the guidance on replacing consumables. For zero and auto clean, please redirect to 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Please check the video to browse some frequently asked questions and solutions. Please check the video to browse the troubleshootings. You are welcome to contact us for more technical support.